Tired of juggling multiple apps for your WhatsApp business communication? In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly connect Wati to Meta Business Suite, streamlining your communication, marketing, and customer engagement all in one place. First, make sure you have both a Wati account and a Meta Business Suite account set up. Log into your Meta Business Suite account in the left-hand navigation menu, find and click on the All Tools button. This will expand a list of available tools. Scroll down the All Tools menu until you find WhatsApp Manager. Select it to access your WhatsApp business settings within Meta Business Suite. In WhatsApp Manager, you'll see the phone number currently connected to your WhatsApp business account. Now, log into your Wati account in a separate browser tab. On your Wati dashboard, look for either API Docs or Integrations section. This is where you'll find the necessary information to connect Wati to your WhatsApp business account within Meta Business Suite. Here you will find the details needed by Meta, like your API key. Follow Wati's specific instructions for connecting to the WhatsApp Business API. It will most likely ask that you enter the credentials to the WhatsApp Business platform within Meta Business Suite. Go back to Meta Business Suite's WhatsApp Manager and follow the instructions given by Wati and put the given credentials from Wati to the respective place needed, such as the API key and WhatsApp Business account ID. Once you've entered the correct information, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that Wati is successfully integrated with your Meta Business Suite account. Congratulations! You've now connected Wati to Meta Business Suite, enabling you to manage all your WhatsApp business activities from a unified platform. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.